Peace, peace. Today is December the 23rd. Making today's math wisdom, understanding. And 2 plus 3 is 5, or power refinement. So wisdom and understanding, showing and proving, power and refinement. Now, again, wisdom is the knowledge applied, and understanding is the clear picture that you get in your mind after you've applied the knowledge. And so, for example, this would be if wisdom is action and understanding is our comprehension of the true results of our actions. Then in this acting and comprehending what these actions, the repercussions of our actions, or benefits of our actions, in this understanding of what we do lays power. And this power, or it comes from the truth, where now we really get and understand the clear and true picture of what it is that we do and how it affects us and everything else in our cipher. The total math for today is, I believe, the total math for today boils down to understanding again. And again, understanding is I know I was talking to my sister. Some people say overstand. In my opinion, to overstand this, what that would imply, either dominance or mastery, or like overcompensating, where not necessarily overcompensating, but I'm using over in that same way as a suffix, meaning to surpass. So someone saying overstanding, to me that would imply, like I said, either dominance or mastery, or where you understand to the point that your understanding, which is not even, it's not possible that your understanding could be over what the truth is or what reality is, which is why I don't really understand the overstand. Again, to understand means, because to know, truly know all and be omnipotent, omnipresent, is that of God, or the Most High, or the Divine, whatever you want to call it. And of course, as humans, we don't really have that power to be all-knowing. So therefore, We have understanding, meaning that our comprehension level can only be at the truth or under the truth. Anything that will be overstanding will be like overcomplicating something simple. Someone who tries to speak in big words to make you think they know more than what they know. Or as simple as somebody saying overstand instead of understand. Because understanding is love. And if understanding is love, then what is overstanding? Today's letter. As far as I have been doing it, damn. I believe that's the problem with not doing it on the actual date. I believe as far as I am concerned, I'm on you for universe. No? The 23rd letter of the alphabet is W, which stands for wisdom, which is the woman, which is the womb, which is, again, the knowledge applied, so again, wisdom is knowledge applied, but like, it's like you dip the knowledge. So you have knowledge, and let's just say it's a thing, a rock, I don't know, something that is stagnant. The knowledge does not grow or change. It is truth, but it's solid. And you dip it in the waters of wisdom, and when you pull it out, you get a clear understanding of the same knowledge that you started out with, which is why the last letter of the alphabet, Z, stands for zig, zag, zig, which is the pathway from knowledge to wisdom to understanding, where knowledge will be zig with an I in it. Under wisdom would be zag, and then understanding would be zig, because you're really coming back to the same knowledge, but now with a better, clearer picture of what you're actually looking at. And wisdom is the vessel in which we take the 1 to the 3, or the knowledge to the understanding, by applying it, by doing it, by living it. I'm pretty sure that I am not on. That will put me too close. I believe that I was on T. I don't think I'm on U yet. Pretty sure I'm on T, which is truth or square. Again, this is the square is from the shape of the letter. It's a T square, actually, is what it's called. A tool that is used in architecture, like I said before, that allows you to make perpendicular or right angles or perpendicular lines. Also, side note, I don't even know how I got on the number. Yeah, I got enough time. I don't even know how I got on the number 72, but just thinking about, so in a pentagon or a 5-sided polygon, the angles, the 5 angles that it makes are 72 degrees. I believe. The 72 is 144. 144 is 288. And 360 is 72. So with each angle being 72 for the 5-sided polygon or pentagram, you can also look at this as Allah, arm, leg, arm, head, because that's 5, which means each, the arm, the leg, the arm, and the head all represent 72, creating the full cipher of 360 degrees. And that is how we are when we don't know what's going on. We come into the realization that this is our physical makeup, and if you understand, when I say right and exact, meaning like the L is love, hell, or right because of the right angle, which means upright, righteous. So a right angle is 90 degrees. We are made up of 5 72-degree angles as far as our shape: arm, leg, arm, head, the pentagram that makes up us, or the pentagram. Yes, pentagon. I'm sorry, that makes up us. Where 90, the difference in 72 and 90 is 18. 18 is the knowledge, 1 is knowledge, and 8 is build and destroy. So once you come into the knowledge that you are Allah, or you are God, arm, leg, arm, head, made in the image of, and you come to this knowledge, that the knowledge of the fact that you build and destroy is the difference in being right and exact, or adding up, summing up to 90, getting back to the 90 degrees, if that makes sense. And this can be looked at also as 18 is 9 and 9, or 9 is born, so to do it twice would be reborn or rebirth. One must be reborn into this knowledge of self, to make the 72s 90s to be right and exact. Hopefully I didn't lose you on that. But again, Supreme Mathematics 101 will be January 1st at 5 p.m. And every first of the month. If you can't make it, I do have the PowerPoint available. I also am going to record myself teaching the class, so that way that can be available for a download as well. But I'll also make the class still available, which is going to be a live format, so you'll be able to interact and ask questions and comments, and we could build on the spot. It won't have to be a like communication through messages or whatever the case may be. It's on Facebook Live. But peace, knowledge, wisdom, understanding, and power to all the people. Y'all have a good one.